Hey guys, Benchard here. Let's talk about the things you need to know before starting your online freelancing career. Transitioning to online freelancing is not so easy, but no need to worry. I will share right now some of my first encounters when I finally decided I am going to transition to freelancing. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell para lagi kang updated whenever I upload new videos. Number 1 on our list is find your niche. Kailangan mo mag-focus sa isang skill which you will offer as your service. Sobrang daming skills ang nasa market at kailangan mo lang pumili ng isa o dalawa depende sa kaya mo. Think of it this way. You're a predator and the skill you will choose is to prey. Okay, di tayo nagpapaka National Geographic dito but choosing a skill is similar to predator and prey relationship. You see, sa wild nakafocus lang sa isang prey ang mga predators. Kahit pa marami yung, let's say, prey sa isang herd tapos marami ding leon ang nagtutulungan, nakafocus lang sila sa iisang prey and guess what? Madalas silang nakakahuli. And kung meron ng predator na naghahunt na ang focus ay broad group of prey, more likely hindi sila nakakahuli. Again, this is not National Geographic, but I hope you get the point. Masyadong overwhelming kung pag-aaralan mo ang, let's say, 5 or mas marami pang niche. But how? How can we pick the perfect niche for us? Well here, I'm gonna share this with you. Now, I am no professional, but this is something I have applied to myself and I want to share it with you. You need to take note of these 3 things. I suggest list it down as a Venn diagram, but ayos lang din kung list format. First is your passion or your talent. Mas maganda kung isa hanggang dalawa lang isulat mo. Ask yourself, ano ba sa tingin mo yung kaya mong gawin? Yung natural na sa'yo? Yung sa umpisa pa lang magaling ka na sa bagay na yun? Importante na i-consider natin ang passion and talent mo dahil mas magaan magtrabaho kung gusto mo yung ginagawa mo, right? Next is skills you want to learn. I want you to be true to yourself and write down what is the skill you really want to learn. Yung pagkarinig mo, mapapaisip ka talaga na ano ba yun? Yung skill na kapag nakikita mo sa ibang freelancer ay natutuwa ka and gusto mo rin matutunan yun for your own good. Last but not least, previous job or yung skill na alam mo na. Recall the time na may natutunan kang skill dahil sa gusto mo lang or yung skill na natutunan mo dahil sa trainings and seminars na na-attendan mo sa previous or current job mo. After you write everything down, find the great connection. Dapat makita mo yung isa o dalawang skill na may pinakamalaking connection sa lahat. This is the example. So your passion could be drawing, art, or photography, and then the skills you want to learn could be digital art. And then your current skills is accountant, or like your previous job, right? And the other part could be communication leader, and then the skills that this person wants to learn is about social media manager, or to be a social media manager. And yung current skill niya, or yung skill niya na gamit niya sa previous job niya is about customer service. And here are the niches you can focus on. So for the first one, could be graphic designer, graphic content creator, logo design. For the second one, could be social media management or social media marketing and lead generation. Actually, marami pa yung ibang pwedeng niche or yung skill or services na katapat ng mga experiences na yan. Let's focus on the first one. Kaya graphic design ang pwedeng skill para sa scenario na ito ay dahil sa mas malaki ang connection ng passion and the skills to learn. It's okay kung may isang hindi connected as long as you come up with 2 connections or more. But also, you want to consider your work experience. Pwede mo kasing gamitin yung current skills mo for online freelancing. At the end, you just need to decide what niche you really want to pursue. The great thing about doing this is that you will be able to distinguish the things you already know and are willing to learn. Second on the list is don't get scammed. Yes, maraming paraan para ma-scam ka ng isang potential client. Kuno, I wanna share my own experience na na-experience na rin ng maraming online freelancers and yung mga kwento rin ng ibang freelancers na nabasa ko sa Facebook groups. Number 1 is to pay before you work. Naranasan ko to sa onlinejobs.ph. 2020, last year, may nag-reach out na 2 clients sa akin. Syempre ako, baguhan. Medyo di ba talaga maalam. Tuwang-tuwa. Bali ang offer nila, data entry job and there were packages na pagpipilian ko daw. They asked me to pay a certain amount before I can start working. May package na konti lang ang trabaho and maliit lang ang rate. So akala ko talaga magkakatrabaho na ako. Finally, as a freelancer. Pinroblema ko pa nga nun kung saan ko kunin yung $20 para lang makapag-start. Buti na lang nakahanap ako ng Facebook group for freelancers and YouTube channel na nagsabing scam nga daw yung ganun. Lesson learned, any job offer na nagre-require na magbayad ka muna before starting the task task is a big no. Marami pa dyang job posting and prospect clients kaya don't stop looking for one. Second kind of scam that you can encounter is about free work. So siguro familiar naman kayo sa free trial of service na ino-offer ng mga freelancers para makapagpakitang gila sila. Maiba na ang technique ay they will provide 1 week free service and after that period ay magde-decide na si client kung kukunin niya yung service ni freelancer. That's fine and malaki talaga may tutulong nun para ma-build yung trust ni client sa'yo. Ang problema, may nabasa akong Facebook post about sa isang freelancer na hinihingan siya ng free video ad sample ni client. Usapan nila after nun, they will decide whether to accept her offer or not. Pero ang nangyari, hingi lang ng free sample si client and pangako lang ng pangako na magde-decide na after. Turned out, marami na rin siyang nabiktimang freelancers on the same FB group. Kumbaga, ang ginawa ni client is to get free samples and to learn the technique from freelancers para hindi niya na kailangan magbayad sa actual service. Lesson learned, mag-set ka ng limit and stick with it. Pwede mong sabihin na after a week of your free services, you will discuss with the client what went well, what needs to improve, and what will be your full offer sa kanya. In this way, di ka maabuso at mas makakwalify mo ng maayos sa client. Third on our list, learn the skills. Kapag alam mo na kung anong skill yung gusto mong pag-aralan at i-offer as your service, simulan mo na agad ang pag-aralan nito. It will be hard sa umpisa pero I'm sure may enjoy mo naman. Warning, pwede kang ma-overwhelm sa pag-aaralan mo and it's completely normal. But don't get stuck on being overwhelmed. That's why here are my tips para kahit papaano mabawasan ng overwhelm factor. Number 1 is to set schedule. Don't take all new ideas and knowledge in one sitting. You can schedule 3 to 5 lessons per day, then evaluation after that. Tapos next day, ganun ulit hanggang matapos mo yung inaaral mo. Also, focus on what you're studying. Posible kasing sa isang topic ay may umagaw ng pansin mo. For example, inaaral mo Facebook ads, pero nakita mo at na-curious ka na pwede rin pala mag-set ng Pinterest ads. Take one topic at a time. Number 2 is to take notes. Mas madali mong matututunan at matatandaan yung inaaral mo kung magte-take notes ka. Pwede namang sa cellphone or sa laptop or PC ka mismo mag-notes, but I highly recommend na gumamit ka ng notebook and pen because it's more effective that way. Third would be to practice. You need to apply what you've learned. Whatever your niche is, there's always a way for you to practice it. For example, you want to offer WordPress web development to a specific market of your choice. Let's say, mentorship. So gagawa ka ng practice website mo na ang laman ay about mentors offering their courses to certain group of people. In my opinion, mapapagastos ka dito kasi mag-a-avail ka ng domain and hosting. Pero kung makakahanap ka ng workaround, ayos yan, pwede rin yan. Kung about naman sa graphic design ang offer mo for let's say Instagram, choose what market you want to offer your service. It can be mentors pa rin, beauty industry, apparel, or any market you're interested in. Then try to create designs sa Canva. Sobrang ganda and easy ng Canva. Literal na isang oras ang matutunan mo agad kung paano gamitin yung tool na Canva. You can access and use Canva for free. Check mo sa description box below yung link. Fourth on our list is whether go to paid or free resources. Sobrang daming YouTube tutorials ang pwede mong panoorin bawat araw. Personally, sa YouTube tutorials ko lang din natutunan ang freelancing. You can literally create a playlist of the topic you like so you can watch it strategically. Ang maganda pa niyan, bukod sa matututo ka na, it's all free and easy to access. But why bother paying for a course? Well, for me, you will have the privilege to be in a community who can support you and answer your questions. You will be able to talk to people with the same intent and goals as yours. You also have mentors you can personally ask about your concern and they will gladly assist you. At syempre, nako-organize ang learning mo. Sa YouTube kasi, nahirapan ako dati sa hindi flowing yung tutorials. At least, yung mga napanood ko. But with the paid course, you don't need to worry about that because your mentors already organize the lessons. If ever you want to enroll in a paid course, I recommend Course Bell. That you need to avail their courses one by one, but today, they will let you access all courses with just the price of one. Use the code CHARD16, that's CHARD16 for 10% off. This offer might not last, so check them out today. Paid man or free resources, ang mahalaga ay mag-umpisa ka. Start your journey and start learning. You need to have a clear goal and start today. Number 5 on our list is to ready your portfolio. Actually, there are plenty of clients na hindi na nangihingi ng portfolio, but mahirap makahanap ng ganun. At kung gusto mo talaga makapag-secure ng premium client, you will definitely ready your portfolio. You can build a website portfolio, but if you can't right now, you can utilize PDF, slideshows, or ang beta feature ng Canva na website and bio link website. So, sa website, it works similarly to a regular website and you can showcase your work and personal details. Sa BioLink website naman ay very straightforward and it showcases who you are as a professional and what you do for your clients. Wondering what to put kung wala ka pa namang past experiences? That's why it's important to practice. Lahat ng practice content mo ay pwede mong ilagay sa portfolio mo. You can absolutely utilize Canva for that. The link can be lengthy but you can use Bitly or any other link shortener to shorten your link. Number 6 on our list, build your network. Look for people na may alam na sa freelancing or at least with same interests as you. Madali lang makahanap ng taong pwede mong tanungan at konsultahin sa Facebook groups. Maganda yung may kakilala kang tao na matutulungan ka sa goal mo. Pwede rin kayong magtulungan para pares kayong mag-grow sa freelancing. You can share ideas and past experiences para kung sakali ay maiwasan ninyo or to implement throughout your journey. Aside from Facebook, you can also utilize LinkedIn para ma-build yung network ninyo. Number 7 on the list is to check your equipment. Isa din sa pinakamahalagang bagay sa online freelancing ay equipment. Di mo naman kailangan ng bago o mamahaling equipment basta maayos na gumagana at kayang mag-handle ng multiple tools. Para magka-idea ka, ito yung specs ng PC set ko. Simple lang pero kaya namang mag-handle ng iba't ibang tools like video editors and other freelancing tools na kakailanganin ko. You can also try to look for affordable laptop kung gusto mo yung compact and easy setup na equipment. Syempre hindi pwedeng mawala sa internet. Make sure na may Wi-Fi connection ka or at least pocket Wi-Fi or USB dongle. Cellphone, pwede kaya? Pwede, pero limited ang pwede mong gawin. Mahirapan ka rin sa tasks mo. I highly suggest na mag-invest ka for PC or laptop. Number 8 on our list is to study some tools. Nakadepende sa niche mo kung anong tools ang dapat mong pag-aralan. Kung sa creative side ka, you can utilize Canva. Also, you can try the free trial versions of Adobe editing tools. For data entry jobs, you will need to learn some basics and tricks sa paggamit ng Microsoft Excel or pwede rin yung Google Sheets. For managing tasks, you can visit Trello or ClickUp. These tools, the Trello and ClickUp, will be provided by your clients but it's good to have overview about how these tools work. For organizing your day, you can try Calendly. For time tracking, you can visit Toggle. If you're an Upwork user, meron silang built-in time tracker. Again, it will still depend sa client kung anong gagamitin mo. Also, meron ding time tracking ang ClickUp, so no need to use other tools. Di ko kaya isa-isahin lahat ng tools na pwede mong ma-encounter lalo na baka yung iba hindi mo naman kakailanganin. Anyway, you can try to visit this website na nasa description box din so you can have an idea about freelancing tools. Last but not least, number 9 on our list, rate. Eto na, you finally found your client and nagustuhan niya yung proposal mo. You studied lots of things and are confident about it. It's time to bid your service package. Know your worth. Hindi porket baguhan ka ay bababaan mo na yung rate mo. Isipin mo yung value na maibibigay mo sa client mo. Kung kaya mong bigyan siya ng premium services na maglalagay ng $10,000 sa bank account niya per month, hindi masama na magbid ka ng rate na $1,000 monthly. Also, I highly suggest you go for monthly package instead of hourly. Mas feel mo yung freelancing kung walang nakabantay sa'yo. You, together with your client, will set all deliverables for the whole month and no time tracking needed. Basta natapos mo yung trabaho ng maayos, bayad ka. But this doesn't apply to all types of online freelancing. But generally, you should really go with the monthly package. That's all for today. Sana may natutunan ka mula sa topic natin. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell para lagi kang updated. Also, share this video to your friends. Ano sa mga diniscuss natin today ang pinaka nagustuhan mo at i-apply mo na sa sarili mo ngayon? Comment mo na yan. Thank you and see you on our next video.